Should the police be able to prosecute drivers based on video footage? In 2023, more than 33,000 dangerous driving videos were sent to the UK police. Currently, dashcam footage can be used as evidence in prosecuting driving offences, including in court proceedings. But do you think it should be admissible? A positive for dashcams is that the footage can save the police an average of 8 hours per case. Since 2020, dashcam footage has saved over 500,000 hours of police time in gathering evidence and witness statements. This equates to over 57 years of police time that could be used elsewhere. But some people have concerns over how easily the footage could be altered. With the rise of AI and easily available editing software, could this dashcam footage be edited before being submitted? Overall, dashcams have been extremely popular with the public. They are great for proving who may be at fault after an accident and are being used to help keep the roads safe. But what's your opinion? Leave a comment to let us know and follow for more UK driving content.